Colmar in France, and it's super amazing. I mean, it was like a 1-hour train ride to get here from Basel to France.
This looks like a swimming pool, guys, and over this one's swimming.
Lots of fountains there.
Yeah. Everybody, I got so wet. You saw my skirt.
Kolmar is a really beautiful place in France, and it's in the border with Germany. Kolmar was famous for its old town and its mixture of French and German culture. When we were playing in the fountains, we saw a rainbow and the classic French poodle. The dog was really pretty.
Guys, there's a big tower in a tree that doesn't even have wood on it.
We found this really cool play area. And now it's time to explore the old town.
It's so cold, guys. But Kolmar is the best place in the world. Let's go.
Most of the buildings in Kolmar are around from the 14th century.
Now we're at Little Venice, and look, it's so quiet and calm. And there's a lot of rivers and I also landed a flower that I put on the sea, and it landed on a fish. And there's every fish is swimming everywhere, and it's really calm and beautiful place. And we take pencil.
I'm nearly done. This is a classic French street cafe. I'm just drinking a half cup of apple juice.
And I'm drinking my croissant and a half medium halfway done with mine.
The town has so many stores and restaurants and candy shops. There's the old town hall, and the flags are on it. And the French flag is on it. Now we're eating really thin pizza.
It's so crispy. See? They have small streets here. They're like widening like a snake.
Do you guys recognize this building? It's from a famous Japanese cartoon. Comment down below if you know it. The people are on the horses. The horses has two blue things on their ears, their head, which look crazy. And this is the main shopping street. And we looked at some souvenirs. We checked out some very old building on the way on the train station. And check out our other video on Königsberg Castle. It's awesome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell.